All right, this is the Tonka, and it is a Chomper toy, and it's got the face. It's able to turn in a full circle. It can move like this, so this comes up, and his tail can come up like this, and then this little lever on the side and this back lever make it actually chomp. So it can go down and you can make it chomp. So this moves the upper jaw, this one, and then this, I don't know, let's see, maybe that moves the lower jaw. So you can make it chomp, which is probably why it's called the Chomper. And you know, it just kind of moves in different positions. So it's got like a little tooth there. That's what it does. But it's just a little toy. This moves. Again, it'll roll. And there he is. He is the Tonka Chomper. Let's see. Yeah, there he is, moving his mouth. We can turn it back this way, make him chomp, and then you can move his head up and down like that, and it looks like he's got a tooth right there. There he is. This guy's a little dirty, so he will be getting donated, but I wanted to show you guys what I could figure out. He may do other things that I don't know about. Not sure what this lever does. Doesn't seem to be doing anything, but little gears and things you can move to make it move around. But it is nice that it kind of folds up and becomes a little bit compact. So